Hi, Jenny here. For Thanksgiving I tried a new cranberry sauce recipe and it was so good it got all eaten up. So today that's what we are going to make some more of. Fresh cranberry sauce. Let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, 1 cup of pomegranate juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 cup of brown sugar. In a medium-sized saucepan, we are going to combine all of our ingredients and get it to boiling. So it's kind of hard to see because there are more cranberries than there is fluid, but I got little bubbles going on there. So it looks like it's starting to boil. So then you want to turn down the heat to low and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. The thing about cranberries is when they get hot, they pop. And so then you're going to have cranberry juice kind of splattered on your stove and whatnot. So just be aware of that. If you need to wear an apron or whatever is around, may get some cranberry juice on it. Sauce is thickened up. See, some of the cranberries are popping here. Got about 2 minutes to go, but I think I'm gonna stop it with all of them that have been popping. Now they just need to cool enough so we can eat them. So there you have it. The cranberry sauce is all done. It is delicious to eat just by itself, or you can use it as a topper for maybe your yogurt or maybe your oatmeal. So let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat cranberry sauce or not, if you like it homemade, if you like the jellied cranberries, or if you like cranberries at all. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. They're so good. So good.